I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ThermoMaven brand, their wireless meat thermometer with 2 probes that are right inside the unit right now, 1 and 2. I'm going to show there's 6 sensors on those probes, with ambient and 5 meat or potato, whatever you're measuring sensors. Has unlimited range using the Wi-Fi, and if you set it up with your phone, I'm going to show you what I did there. And it has a 500-foot range from the probes to the base unit. I love this base unit, it's amazing. This is precision plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit dishwasher safe probes. It comes with the USB A to C charging cable that you're going to need, and there's the charging port right there, and a little display comes on letting you know that it's being charged, and any USB-C connection to 1 amp or greater supply. So right there it's showing that it's charging right there. You see a little Bluetooth, or you see the Wi-Fi connection right there, because it's connected to my Wi-Fi and my phone. And there is an app that you could use, and the app is available. It's also certified by NIST, and that means that you got accuracy here. And there is a calibration sheet right there for the serial number of the unit, letting you know that it is calibrated, and so that you're getting real accurate temperatures. There is an instruction manual, and this product gets excellent customer ratings, and I mentioned 3-year warranty. And these probes are IPX8 waterproof, so you can put them in a dishwasher. Just let them cool off from when you're heating them up with something. So the manual itself does have general information about the probe and how to operate it. Let's just take a look right here. I'm going to show you. Take probe 2 out, and you see that it instantly comes on and starts measuring the temperature. And if you look at this probe itself, that's the ambient temperature right there in the room. You want to insert it into whatever you're measuring, whether it's potatoes, meat, bread. Keep in mind that not only is this great for meat, but sometimes you want to cook potatoes perfectly, and there's temperatures online tell you exact. And here there's 5 different sensors. So those sensors are taking the average of the meat temperature. So that's important for accuracy. Look how thin this probe is, also high-tech looking. So that sense that I took it right out and it went right back in. Anytime you put that probe in the unit, it's actually charging. So there's a Bluetooth connection for those probes, Bluetooth 5.3. So that's where you get in that 500-foot range. So let's just take a look at the app right here. I have on my phone. And there is the app itself. And you can see that it's got the temperature that I have set on probe 2 and the ambient temperature, and it's kind of showing you that it's going to walk to that temperature. And right there is the meat, the set, and the ambient. Really simple interface, and you got both probes on there that you can go. And when you set this up, it even tells you when it's charged. You can see this one is charging. Really nice. When you set this up, you're going to put in your Wi-Fi password. It's going to send you an email, confirmation email, and you're going to be all set. Now when you use this product, there is a button on the side. That is the power button right there. You can turn the unit off right there and turn it on. And there is a set button. You can see that you could manually set and go, and you could change the temperature on either side of this thing. And you notice that it goes between smart and manual. Smart means that it's going to interpolate. It's going to look at those 5 sensors and say, hey, this is temperature's rising pretty fast, and I want you to be alert that it's going to be ready at this time. I would recommend using smart when it's for meat, and the other one right there, the other sensor was manual, is primarily if you just want to have it set on the actual temperature that it's going to actually go to. And you could change it, go up and down on either side like that for either probe. So that's basically the operation of this. And the app works really well. Once you get it synced up, you have all the ability to really be alerted for what you're doing, and go from the app or use the actual, there's cooking history, favorites, settings, feedback, and about. So you have a lot of control over this, notifications, region, language, and you can sign in and out of the app. But the app is really nice, and what I like about this product is I'm not too much into apps, but this product app worked really well. But what's nice is this is a standalone unit. You can see it's got a nice little stand on there. Looks really high-tech, because it is high-tech, and it's just a really nice product. You also have a volume control on there, and that's going to tell you the volume of the alerts when it reaches the temperature. You can also turn that off. You notice there is an X right there to turn that volume off if you wanted to. You also have centigrade or Fahrenheit. You can see the displays right there. So it's very easy to use this. It's very user-friendly, nothing complicated about it. Let's take this probe out right here. Take this one out right here. So I'm going to be testing this on a couple things, on some meat products, and also on things like potatoes, and even bread this works great on. So my experience is this is extremely accurate, and I've tested about 5 or 6 different brands of these products, and this one seems to be the most accurate, and it also is the simplest to use. As you can see, it's just basic operation, and once you've used these probes, just let them cool down, and then you can clean them quite simply by hand or put them in a dishwasher. And again, these probes are sleek and they get charged. There's a high temperature lithium-ion battery in there, and it's all stainless steel and ceramics. This piece here is a ceramic material, extremely durable. And just like a plate or a cup, you would put boiling water in there, then throw it in the freezer. This is just the same. Let this cool down, and then you can just wipe it clean. Wiping it clean is all you need to do. I wouldn't even bother putting it in a dishwasher. That's as simple as just wiping it clean. So let's give this a try on some different meat and potato and other things, is how this works. So I'm going to be baking 2 different things. This is a potato dish with sliced potatoes and cheese and milk. And this is a quiche. They both need controlled temperatures when they're baking to get them just right. And I'm going to be using the probe 1 in the potatoes and the probe 2 in the quiche. And I have it set to 2 different temperatures. Right now it's measuring the ambient temperature. So I'll put this in the oven, and once it starts cooking, and I'll put the probes in and get some real accurate temperature measurements. So there I have the 2 probes in. It started to solidify, so it was time to put the probes in. And you see I have them put in past that line on each probe so that they get a good accurate temperature measurement. And here you can see the probe temperatures are rising. It's rising a little faster than the potatoes because this one has more liquid in it. But it's letting me know the actual internal temperature. And I'm in another room away from the kitchen, and about 60-65 feet away, and you can see it's still telling you the temperature. So you're not glued to your kitchen. You could walk around, and of course I could use the app also to monitor the temperature of the 2 probes. It's warning me and letting me know that it's getting really close to the 165. So the potato alarm went off, and I'm going to remove it right now. So now I'm keeping a close eye on the probe 1, which is the quiche, and you can see it's approaching the temperature. It's giving me an estimate of 2 minutes. And there goes the alarm right there, reached the temperature, and the app reached the temperature also. Now I'm able to remove the probe, and I should have perfectly cooked quiche and scallop potatoes. And there we have it, 2 perfectly cooked meals. The quiche and the scallop potatoes using the ThermoMaven to alert me when it reached the appropriate temperature. So after testing, what do I think about the ThermoMaven brand, their wireless meat thermometer with those 2 amazing probes and the high temperature ability, the 500-foot range from the probe to the unit, and the unlimited Bluetooth Wi-Fi range, and the precision 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Really cool product, simple to use, works really well the first time, and the app works really well also. and I love the simple interface on here. This is the kind of meat probe that you've been waiting for, and this is the one that hit the market, and it's great. I'm impressed with it. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.